In this video we're going to be looking at how you create your banner, how you create your profile image and how you make this watermark. These three things are your channel artwork. We're going to do this inside of Canva. And then we'll look at how you upload these into your YouTube. This is canva.com. So we want to create a new design. Type in YouTube channel art. This is our canvas. So we want to have our main piece of information in the very center. To add text, you click on the text icon over on the left and you can click on the text you want. It's recommended that you have your what and your why as your channel art. So this could be more strategic video marketing. Once you've typed it, you can move your text around wherever you like using this cross handle. You can also tilt your text as you want, or leave it flat. Do Control Copy, Control V to make another duplicate of that text if you have another part of your message you want to write. So then we might want to change some of the text fonts. To do that, select the text you want to change the font. And at the top here you can click on the font and then you have a lot of variety here of how you might want the text to look. And you can change the colour up here also. And if you want to make it smaller and larger, you can also use these handles to pull it in or pull it out. But I am being mindful to try and keep this really center, and you'll see in a moment when I check the positioning of everything. So you can drag and drop image from externally onto your page. Now we can go into effects and remove the background. If you're happy with that, you can click apply. If there's bits that have been picked up that you didn't want picked up or weren't picked up, then you can use the erase and restore features there. And you can add things like shadows here or color effects. I'm going to add a glow. Now you can put a background in. I'm going to go to backgrounds. Now we want to check if this is positioned in the correct way. So I've got a template that I made that I use to overlay to see where everything's positioned. And if I just send this backwards, then I can move the graphics on top of it. Okay. So you have your what and your why. It would be a good idea to also have over here an arrow call to action to the download where you have the overlays of your banner. And then on the other side you could have your logo. If you'd like to use my overlay template here, please just let me know in the comments below and I shall send one to you. And put my background back in. And I'm going to play around with it a little bit more and then download it. The next thing we want to do is make the icon. And you can see there that there was already an icon in Canva as one of its preset templates. And then you just want to put your image in. I'm going to make this a bit smaller, blow this up. And I'm going to remove the background. And then download this image as well. The final graphic we're going to make doesn't have a template for here, so the one that I use is the Instagram grid or the Instagram post. Add an element. I'm going to add a square and then pull it to all corners. Then I'm going to add text on top of this. And then choose the words that you want to have. You might want subscribe here. and then use the handles to pull this out to be full size like this, and then download this again. So now we have our 3 pieces of artwork ready to upload into YouTube. So go back over to your YouTube channel, you go onto your profile image and YouTube Studio. Inside YouTube Studio you want to go to customization over here on the left, and then select the branding. So you can see I've got mine already set up. So when you want to upload, you just click change, and if I show you when we upload, here's the banner I want to select, and then you can see here that it already shows us how this is going to be positioned and if we're happy with that, and there's nothing wrong with that. That works for on mobile, on desktop and on TV. That all looks just fine, and then you can click done. Do the same with your profile image and your watermark, and then go to publish and then view channel to see how this looks in your channel, and there it is. The great thing about YouTube is you can change your banner as often as you like, and there are no notifications, unlike Facebook, that go out to your audience. So feel free to have fun and find the banner that you really love.